Times Square, located in the heart of Manhattan, New York City, is a bustling commercial and entertainment hub known for its bright lights, Broadway theaters, and iconic billboards. This iconic landmark has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century, when it was originally named Longacre Square. Over the years, Times Square has evolved into a symbol of the city's vibrancy and energy, attracting millions of visitors annually. The area is famous for its New Year's Eve ball drop celebration, which has become a global tradition. Aside from its entertainment value, Times Square is also a major commercial center, housing numerous shops, restaurants, and theaters. It is a popular destination for both tourists and locals alike, offering a wide range of activities and attractions. Despite its commercial success, Times Square has also faced challenges including crime and urban decay in the 1970s and 1980s. However, through revitalization efforts and increased security measures, the area has been transformed into a safe and vibrant destination once again. Today, Times Square stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of New York City, drawing visitors from around the world to experience its unique blend of entertainment, culture, and history.